Christmas can't come soon enough this year. Hey everyone, it's LJ here and welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another design team project for the awesome Crafters Castle Challenge blog. There is a link in the description, go check it out, it is amazing. You can enter every month, we love hearing from you. Enter your entries and see if you win each month. I love going there, there's so much inspiration. The paper that I am using is this one from Taylormadecards4u and it is absolutely gorgeous. And so many ideas came to me when I first saw it, and so I've been whittling them down trying to figure out what I want to do. So before we go any further, as I said, in the description there will be a link to the Crafters Castle Challenge blog. There will also be a link to Taylormadecards4u. There will also be, if you go to the Crafters Castle Challenge blog, a discount code for use with some of these digital collections, which is incredible. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, welcome back. I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing if you're not already. I do sort of paper craft mixed media style things on a Tuesday. I do resin on a Friday, and then when I have these awesome design team projects or any hops, they are usually on a Saturday. So hopefully you will find something that you enjoy here on my channel. Enough talking, let's get into it. So what I decided that I wanted to do was I wanted 100% to use this sheet. There is a large sheet of just this design with, I'll put a picture up here for you with a little extra detail, but I wanted to use this. So this comes as one sheet, and what I instantly thought of was basically folding it in four, making like a little card or envelope. So that's what I'm going to do first of all. So I'm going to just fold along this central line. Getting a nice, see that wobbled at the end. It wobbled at the end, that's fine though. Excellent. And then, let's see, we are going to go, yes, we're going to go this way. Wonderful. What I'm then going to do is I'm just going to trim any edges here that are slightly, in fact no I'm not. First thing I'm going to do is stick it together. So you could use wet glue, you could use tape, you could do anything. I'm going to do a little bit of a combination, but I'm not going to tear my tape, I'm going to cut it because this is printer paper as I said, and it will, because I'm using quite thin printer paper, it can tear. So I'm going to pop this tape on and I'll be right back. Find my tools. So I can just remove these completely to stick it down. So I just thought I would pop on and see how everybody was. I hope you're all doing well. I know here in the UK we're coming up on the end of what will be currently the end of the current second lockdown in the UK. So I'm filming this a little bit earlier than it's being shown. So I don't know if things will have changed by then, but there we go. I hope you are all okay. I'm going to use a tiny bit of this, just in the centre so it doesn't bubble. So yeah, I hope you're all doing okay. I hope you're all keeping well. Everybody looking forward to Christmas. I am, even though I'm not entirely sure how it's going to go this year, I am still looking forward to it because I do love Christmas. I just love giving gifts to people. It's just the best part about Christmas for me, is finding the right gift for someone and just seeing how much they love it. Just, yeah. So we've now stuck that together, and then I'm going to close this, and all I'm going to do is, where you can see there's a slight overhang here, I'm just going to trim that off so we have nice neat edges, and I'll be back. Okie dokie. So we have our little booklet. Now I like having this on the front. Okay, there we go. So now I've got a little border around this as well, and I thought this would be a really nice place to put a name. I haven't even told you what I'm making. Oh, so carried away by the pretty paper. So I'm making some invitations to our Christmas dinner. Sorry, I got so carried away. So on the front, on here, we are going to have the name of the person being invited. And then I also thought that we would add on some cute little other bits of ephemera that they had. So, just going to add a little bit of glue because this is printer paper, as I've said before. But the thing that is nice about the art glitter glue is that it doesn't tend to bubble. Get a nice corner border there. Nice and straight, she says. There we go. That is such a cute little stamp. I love it. And then we'll pop the letter on the front as well. Oh, careful. Like so. So there we go. I really, really like that. That's super cute. Right, so on this page we are going to have some information. Sorry, the word completely escaped me then. So we're going to have like the time and address on wherever we are having it. But I'm thinking I might add the little silent night here in the corner and leave the information up at the top. I think that is very cute. I love it. Let's carry on. So this is going to go over here, but I'm thinking I'm going to put it at the top to balance out the fact that we've got this down at the bottom. So I'm going to line that up at the top, sort of around there, I think. And then I do have this little Santa. I'm going to fussy cut the Santa as well, because I might put him down here with a little bit of information. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to like tuck him just over this. And then I might put the... I might organise a secret Santa. There's going to be 8 of us. So I'm going to put their secret Santa name on that. That is super cute. That, and so that's who you're going to be buying your secret Santa gift for. Right, let me put some tape on the back of these. We'll start off with our little tag at the top. I love working with these. I think they're so cute. I know I say that a lot, but they really are. They're just, all the elements work so well together. I love it. And I'm really, really loving seeing everyone's entries at the Crafters Castle Challenge blog. It's so cool seeing so many different people and their sort of... Let's go down to here, I think. No! Stop! No! Okay. I really enjoy seeing everyone's take on different stamp sets or die sets, and I love seeing something that I've got, because then I'm like, oh, that's a really clever way to use that. That's a really nice way to do this. And I just, yeah, I love it. I think it's so much fun seeing everybody's, all over the world's, different styles of craft and paper craft and card making, and it's just, it's beautiful and I love it. It's absolutely incredible and I love being a part of it. So if you haven't already, go over and check it out. And if you have checked it out but you haven't entered yet, you really should. It's an anything goes challenge every month, so you can add in any sort of crafting, any sort of theme, any sort of products, and yeah, it is so much fun seeing everybody's take on it. So let's pop our Santa there. Oh yes, I love it. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So what I wanted to do today was to show you actually that you don't need to always create over the top elaborate projects because it's just really not necessary. These papers are so beautiful and work so well as a standalone paper that you can just really make anything with them. Now, lovely. So you don't need to make mini albums and pocket letters and everything else. Obviously you can. These would look beautiful as a Christmas pocket letter. Oh, I can just picture it. You don't need to do that much elaborate of a project. That was terrible English. You really don't need to do a hugely elaborate project. You can, but the papers do so much for themselves that actually I think just having something this simple is really cute. Now, let's stick our last bits on. There we go. The nice thing about a design paper that has lines on it, it helps you line things up easily. We are back. So I have finished sticking on all the embellishments. So here is our little invite. So this one I have done to Susie, who is my sister-in-law. It's going to be at her house, but it's got the Secret Santa info in it, so we're going to keep it the same. It's probably going to be at her house. So we have our stamp on the front, our first class mail to Susie with our little snowman decor. Then we go inside. We've got a postcard over here, space to write the Secret Santa name that she gets, the information for the address, or possibly what I might do is list the items that their Secret Santa would like. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this space yet. Could be both, could be either, could be... Yeah. Our little Silent Night decor at the bottom, and then on the back, Santa's list with the 2 stamps. Now, because this was so cute, I couldn't just make one. And I will be making more for everyone who's coming to the mill. But I thought I would also make a slightly different one to show you. So this is Tommy, who is my brother-in-law. So she's my sister-in-law because she is my other half's sister, and he's her husband. So is he still my brother-in-law, or is he my brother-in-law-in-law? Or is it something totally different? I have no idea. I'm going to call him my brother-in-law because it's easier. Now, Tommy has issues with his sight, so I have made this front panel larger. I printed out the larger one rather than putting a banner around it, just because I wanted to be able to make it clearer for him. The Secret Santa is still quite small. I did consider making that bigger, but then it looked awkward. So what I might just do is write his all here as well, in bigger, so he can see. And then I did swap over the... So on the front, we have the snowman for Susie and the Santa for Tommy. And then inside we've got the Santa and the snowman swapped as well. But everything else is the same. And then on the back, I just swapped the stamps positioning. But other than that, they are exactly the same. And they are so adorable. So adorable. And I cannot wait to make the rest and send these out. They are just so cute. So let me know what you think. I really love them, and I really love this collection. It is just gorgeous. I mean, I'll put another picture up of all the pieces because I didn't use every part of the collection. But I just love being able to print things at different sizes. I just think that gives you so much flexibility, and I love it. So yes, lovely, lovely, lovely collection from Taylor-Made Cards for You. Don't forget to pop over to the Crafters Castle Challenge blog. There will be a link in my description. You can enter, you can check out all the other entries, get some inspiration. You can also get a discount code on some of these incredible collections, which is brilliant. So there we go. Thank you very much for spending time with me today, guys. Keep crafting, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.